Hi there, I'm Susan. If you're looking for more tips, here's a quick way to copy and paste images into the EDOnext designer. Let's take a look. From your internet browser, we're going to find an image and right-click. Among the options should be Copy Image. Now we'll go into the EDOnext designer and navigate the left toolbar for the Images tab. Press on the Upload button and we'll be greeted with a window to drag and import images or photos. We will now press Ctrl+V on our keyboard, Command+V on Mac. This will paste or import the image previously copied, and it should now appear in this window. When pressing Upload File, we see that the image has been saved into our project library for use. And there you go. Thank you for choosing EDOnext as your yearbook designer software. See you next time.